Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. Checking in on Tesla. We had a really strong update in the market and Tesla was not that strong. Start watching it here. It's running out of momentum to the upside. It needs to actually close above this 351.88 level to show any kind of bullish activity. It has not shown much over the last couple days. Right now, the bottom of the rotation zone lining up perfectly with the 25% retracement. So on any extended move or close below 337.01, that's a pretty critical area. Now the 50 is lining up with the 322, and the very key area now is still about this 308 to 310 area. You might want to look, if you're long, raising stops. Especially, it depends how aggressive you are and if you're more of a trader or an investor, but you might want to use some of these key levels to raise your stops if you trade with stops. So close above 351.88, then we'll be watching for a return to the highs. If we get below 337, we'll be watching for 322 and then the 307 to 310 area. Let me reinforce that with the weekly chart. So the weekly chart, we have about 311. We have the 50-week moving average. So right in here, I guess we could go 307 to 311 are all the key remaining levels, both on the daily and weekly, that you don't want to see it close below. Oh, by the way, asked a question today if this was a potential head and shoulders. Let me zoom in a bit on here. Potential head and shoulders. So shoulder, head, early possible shoulder. This is not a head and shoulders we would trade because it has a downward sloping neckline. The neckline goes like this, and it actually needs a close below the neckline to trigger. And when it's downward sloping, the trigger keeps getting farther and farther away. So some people may treat this as a head and shoulders. It does not fit in one of our high probability patterns, and it's still early to call it a head and shoulders. That's just some feedback in case anybody was wondering. We'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.